Okay, cool. I'm just saying if you do. Alright, started.
Yeah.
They coordinated away, I already know it. Alright, but one, your smile, don't have to say no more. Two, your guidance and all the things you show me. Three, the way you look at me when you say I love you. Four, your headstrong personality.
Five.
You take charge capability.
Six.
I love the way you cook for me.
Beef roast, white rice.
with gravy.
Give you 25 reasons why I'm really in love with you. Ooh, I can give you 25 reasons why I'm never leaving you. 7, 8, 9, the rose, the massage, the car should give for no reason at all. 11, the way you spend on me, even though I got my own money.
11,
For always being yourself, regardless of how I or anyone else felt.
12,
The way you don't triple me when I'm in the studio really late, like right now. Why I'm really in love with you. I got 25 reasons. Wait a minute. I don't need no background to tell you the rest, baby.
13,
No way, just why don't we? Even when I didn't make it good for you to see.
14,
Let me an understanding when the time comes. You know what I mean.
15,
For your beauty inside and out, and to close it out. 16 to 25 is for all the tricks you could have hit, but you didn't. Because of your love for me, I can give you 25 reasons why I'm really in love with you. Ooh, I can give you 25 reasons why I'm never leaving you. I can give you 25 reasons why I'm really in love with you. Oh, I can give you 25 reasons why I'm never leaving you. Oh, I had to catch my breath for a minute. So many emotions are coming out in this song. Oh, ooh,
have you ever loved somebody?
ooh, have you ever loved somebody? Come on, ladies, help me sing. I am so in love with you. Oh, yeah.
I'm so
In love with you, and it's really more than 25 reasons I'm never. Oh, I'm in love with you. 25. Oh, yeah.
25
Ooh, I'm never leaving you. And that was a singing.
We're singing Sideline Girl. Have you
Ever
ever
love somebody, but you got more than one somebody. He keep on giving and giving, he's taking the love that you got. Maybe he's got a wife and kid, or a baby mama, or a girl he give his all to. But he claims to make him happy, and he really don't deserve him, and he keep holding back. I'm just a sideline girl, I only got half his world. I'm always gonna choose her first, but that ain't what I deserve. You say that you love me too, but she's who you go home to. You said that you wanna go, but I'd rather be alone.
Have you ever loved somebody loving got you mesmerized?
His touches be like, ooh, ooh, baby. Body rocking non-stop and got you nigga mesmerized. Just you going crazy. His touches make me breathless. Breathless. Oh.